I can feel pain, but I can't feel pain. So no matter how much pain me I tell you or me I feel, you can't feel it. We can't feel God, but we can't see God. We can feel love, but we can't see love. The hair. We can feel the hair, but we can't see it. And those are natural things where God creates nature, we live by it. But we can't see it. It's like our face. Even on the camera, our own face, we can't see it with our own eyes. So your eyes can't behold by your face. I have that image with my daughter's face. It's my determination of a thing rubbish, mobbish until me establish. Me not give up, This is my cure. Pain. My music. Yeah. Put it into the music. Well, I leave my room. Hey, man, look at the crush of that party. This is sweetest part of that party now. So I don't have them style. I'm not too sweet. I have every style. Leave my room. So I meet the dry party and I drink my water. I may talk. You have to have them angles in your life. Someone know that choke the blood clot. This is my saliva. I know about my son. Sometimes when you have water, it's all your skin, your sweat, and recuperate. Measures and levels to life. Experience and understanding. Nothing can break me. When me young, I go hard. You see them say poor or poor, bad poor. That's my poor. When I work it out, how I want to work it out. So you see now me big millionaire say, Queen and have this, Queen is stuck at Jamaica, Queen and have no clothes, Queen and look good, Queen. I don't give a fuck. My energy is good. So me that hospital and couldn't talk with you. That my friend, but when I see him out, I think I'm out then give me. I have faith. It's true. But thinking that may not really matter. Because we have all kind of elements in the world. If you run and drop, people say something to you. It's a fact, people have to drop. When them say 7 times rise and 7 times fall, I mean no. It just means that you have to rise and you have to fucking fall. So if somebody push you down, you still a fuck. You understand? That is known. So me can't say, yeah, somebody grudge me and cut them eye after me make me drop. This somebody not even fucking see me. But my mind tell me that. I have your mind tell you that it don't mean to say you have a dual product, but it's good that you have to think many ways and always, and then you trample them and say, no weapons formed against you shall prosper. And I mean no weapon they out there, but by harm me a weapon for you. So just in case you have to say, move your blood clot. You have to have them element their force. That's what makes me powerful. My hard to believe. It's all them as a queen of somebody I do. I say nobody not doing me shit. And when you think it, you have to overpower it with. You understand? Later I come back. Cheryl Rosgreen, I wish you say, wow, my darling dear. Hello, Cheryl. The other day I thought this girl, I said, get her age. So I said, 60. She was mad. She said, I am 38. Me say, you're 38, me just come out of me. All right, listen. One girl asked me today, she up on my WhatsApp, and she asked me what she look like. And I said, me not like do that, me not guess people age. If you not choose to tell me, don't tell me, but me not guessing it. For that, where you can prevent, you prevent. Because you see, I'm peaceful, I'm not insultive, I'm nice, but I'm rude. So when you make my aunt leave now, I'm say I try to discriminate me. I say, Bumble wall, watch me here. So I'm get rather rude. But other than that, I'm nice, I'm caring. Yeah. So I say I take my for a big bumper bar ha who me say alright ha ha woo. You understand? Mm-hmm. Some of the guest people age. Kind of people some look but younger than me. Me don't give a I go everywhere with myself. And anyhow me is me have to go there with myself. If me I got the toilet, no matter how vulgar me is, I me and my vulgar self. You understand me, son? You just have to just love yourself. If God make it to be a caterpillar, you cannot be a bird. God make it to be a rat, you cannot be a human. You cannot be a tiger. Work the fuck. Understand me? Life easier. So when you see me I jump on a prize, me have a million blood in my brain. The brain's muddy and drive you muddy. You have to contact it and say, Bumba will allow me, man. Move your brain to confuse you. You have to follow your heart. And one thing you have to say, you have to follow that. But it's a conflict because the brain's one win the heart and then you say, don't go up on left. Then I say, don't go up on left. Then I say, no, them are going to try to quit. I just say, move your blood. I talk to my friend them. And if I one friend and I 10 hour up from a one friend, then I go over there with my one friend. You have to have them kind of style, they have to balance life. More time, something I'm there, you have to say, bomber clad. I saw me laugh after myself by myself, talk to myself and laugh after myself. Yeah, I'm finding the joy out type because I want to say about drugs now. Where's the ring? Take off the ring long time. I'm not ringing that. Fight the ring too much. The ring still short today. I swear I dreamed the ring last night and I missed my ring. You remember now? Tell them to move them blood clot. I told them for go and fire there. Lovely dictate to my life. No one can dictate to me in my life. When me, as even say she go to hot flood. When me I go to hot flood, clean yourself out that way. The ring is a significant of your vow. I am coming, girl. Your vows and all of that. And it's a two-way stream and what becomes one. So I say how long the ring did it and him not have none. I say, hey, after me no ring you that, fuck that. Me not have none and him not have none, so. Me married the same day, Cheryl. Yeah? 20th of March. Two we not have none, I say go. Me and my husband are war now, so what happened to that? You and nobody now war. Go get somebody war with, man. Queer man. A long time. You never hear about World War Wally. You know hear about Egypt and all of the days. After that me create war. Go man. I'm gonna find somebody war with. And keep your life busy. If you got nothing to war for, you can't war in it. But people who war is same way. No work out nothing, you can't work out my life. God. Not even me can't work out my life for myself. So don't think you know my life. I will just say to life, I say, oof, I'm wearing the shoulder pad. I'm wearing the shoulder pad and put on the high shoes. And I'm covering my cleavage and I don't want my legs to show. Behind there, a puppy show, a showcase.